Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back. Back to the Camping Family channel. It is the start of the 2024 season. Exciting. Mounting the camper, getting ready, getting it prepped. First trip next weekend. So I actually have the generator running right now, getting it warmed up. I'd like to do an oil change today. It's due. So that's on the to-do list, needs done. Just got done cleaning up, doing some basic cleaning in here. Seemed like last fall it was a dumping ground. So cleaning everything up. Gonna do a quick wash on the floor. Had the laptop, or actually my tablet out here doing some editing on some other videos that we're doing. And yeah, just going through everything. Had to do a new mount for the TV. The mount I had in here before was probably as old as the rig itself. So new mount, new straps to secure it while traveling. That's all working out really well. I took the motorhome over to the local car dealer that actually has a place for big rigs, and they changed the oil and checked everything over last week. Everything got a clean bill of health. Checked everything over underneath and everything looked great. Brake cables or the brake lines, everything looked good. So clean bill of health engine wise. Got the generator going. I'm going to turn on the air conditioners, put a little bit of load on it, and get the oil changed. So that's today's project. Tomorrow, go through the outside compartments. They need cleaned. So that's what I'm doing tomorrow. Outside of that, I think I'm in pretty good shape. I washed the windows the other day. They were dirty. And maybe do a quick sweep. Bring out the sweeper and sweep up front. But that's where we're at. So just kind of getting ready for the 2024 season. Looking forward to it. If this is your first time stopping by, appreciate you stopping by. Got a couple projects I'm going to be working on. I've got a little new light for over here, that little light between the booth and the sofa bed. I'm going to pull this out. This no longer works. It stopped working last year, late in fall. So got a new light. We're going to do an install on that. If that works out well, I'm going to replace this because they won't be matching anymore. So we'll swap that out with, I think I'm just going to put in the same light I have here. I've got another one of these. So we'll put those in there. And if I like that light, that same light is back in the bedroom by my bed. So I'm going to get another one of the lights I'm going to replace there. But that'll be a future video. I need to turn on the fridge. I just cleaned that out the other day. And I cleaned the seals. All the seals are clean. They were dirty. So everything's cleaned. I need to work on my light a little bit. I need to patch the wires. This wasn't a great connection. I'm going to build a new pigtail for it and make this a little bit better connection. So that's on the to-do list. Fans worked out great last year. Those work fine. So yeah, just getting everything all cleaned up for the start of the season. Yep. As you can see, I've got some cable up here. Cables for solar panels. I've got some testing going on right now. We'll be doing another video on the testing of the solar. I'm doing a test on a small refrigerator to take up to our cottage in Canada, actually in about 6 weeks. And exciting news there. So if you're into off-grid solar using power stations, I've got Blue Eddy power stations. Stay tuned for that. All right, outside of that, it's getting warm in here. It's going to be up low 80s today, surprisingly. I think we're in the last day of April, and it's going to be, I think, 81. And it was just freezing the other night, so welcome to Ohio. All right, on that note, I'm going to get my testing done here. I need to turn on these air conditioners and get an oil change. All right. Thanks for stopping by. We will see you on the next one.